partly cloudy, but overall, really holding on to the clouds throughout today. We are noticing right now we are dry looking at satellite and radar, but we are having this approaching low pressure system that's going to continue to try to head our way throughout today. It'll actually stall. So hover around our region throughout much of the work week. This is going to allow us to really hold on to our chances of rain for much of the work week. Today actually looks to be the driest day on the 7-day. So good idea if you have any of that yard work to get done, try to get it in today. You do have to dodge a few showers that'll try to approach the area. We are keeping our eye out for Tropical Storm Arthur. Right now it is around the coast of North Carolina. They are under a tropical storm warning. They will be dealing with some tropical storm force winds, also a lot of heavy downpours for that area. The good news is so far, looking at the National Hurricane Center's hurricane track, the tropical storm Arthur looks to not make landfall. It'll actually continue to weaken as it heads up more to the north and the northeast, all because there's a little bit of cooler waters there, so it loses that energy to be able to strengthen. One thing that it's going to do for us, it's not going to give us any additional rainfall, but it will make our winds very breezy at some times. Today, we will be noticing wind gusts heading to about 20-25 miles per hour. Throughout tomorrow, wind gusts will head to about 25 to 30 miles per hour. And tomorrow night, they really ramp up for us. The strong easterly winds, those gusts could head to 30 to 40 miles per hour tomorrow night. So do be aware where we will be having a pretty rainy day tomorrow with some of that saturated ground. Could see some downed trees or even some power outages for Tuesday. Today, high temperatures will actually head into the 70s, so we're right around average. Today looks to be one of the warmest days as well for us this work week, along with rain showers coming in full force. Cooler temperatures will funnel in as well. The severe weather outlook has our whole entire viewing area under a thunderstorm risk today, so a rumble of thunder can't be completely ruled out. But overall, most of us looking to really hold on to some cloudy conditions and a stray shower here or there to try to pop on through. Looking at futurecasts, like I said, most of us looking relatively dry, but by the afternoon, a little bit of rain will try to creep into the area throughout this evening. Tonight is a different story, though. We will have widespread rain showers with a few heavier downpours built in. Overnight and into our Tuesday morning, we can expect to have rain over top of us. Throughout Tuesday, showers will try to be more scattered, but they build back in for us as we head into Tuesday evening, and once again, could have a rumble of thunder into the area. Looking at the rainfall totals for this week, there is a potential we could have some flooding issues arise, mainly because most of the area will see roughly about 2 to 3 inches of rainfall. North of I-64, rainfall totals will be a little bit lower altogether. But for most of the area, widespread flooding is looking to be an issue in the next upcoming days as we will be having these heavy rainfalls. With this low pressure system hovering over our area, it is bringing us that rainfall, but it's also allowing us to have these cooler than average temperatures throughout much of the work week. That 7-day forecast really isn't looking to be too warm. Today we're in the 70s, but tomorrow and Wednesday our highs will only be in the 50s. We do warm back up into the 60s by the end of the work week. Eventually we'll be back into the 70s throughout the weekend, but looking at every day, really we hold on to a chance for some rainfall to really come in. That flooding is possible Tuesday through Thursday. I'm going to send things back to you.
All right, thank you, Catherine Mack.